We talk a lot about heart-healthy living on the show, and a big part of that is exercise. So today we're checking out some cardio moves to get your heart muscle pumping and you living healthy. Personal trainer Danielle Wilson is here to share some moves. Danielle, I think we first have to talk about cardio and explain why it's so important.
Yes, there is so many incredible benefits to doing cardio, including lowering that blood pressure, increasing the circulation, and reducing the risk of chronic disease like type 2 diabetes. It's going to help your endurance, and it's going to help you feel more athletic and more like an athlete going through everyday life.
It's so important to get that heart pumping at any age.
Absolutely. Young, old. Honestly, I would say the older we get, the more imperative it becomes to be moving and training and getting that heart rate up. So absolutely, any age, cardio is still it.
All right, Danielle, when it comes to cardio, a lot of people think about, running. That's how I'm getting my cardio fix for the day. But today we're adding weights to our cardio workout. How do weights make the cardio workout more effective?
Adding any type of resistance is going to give you a different type of effect on the body. You're going to be burning fat while building that lean muscle. So you're really getting the best of both worlds. These movements translate to real life, and that's why I think it's so important.
So the best way to learn something new is to see an example. And today you've got 3 exercises for us.
Yes, I'm excited to take you through these 3 exercises. They are a few of my favorites that can be done absolutely anywhere. All right, so one of my favorite full body movements, a dumbbell squat thruster. So what you're gonna do, bring those dumbbells up to your shoulders. Feet are about hips width distance or a little bit wider. I'm squatting down with those dumbbells in hand, and I'm pushing up with momentum, pushing through those glutes, pushing through those heels, nice and powerful.
I love it. So let's move on to exercise number 2.
It is a dumbbell swing. It's your basic hinging movement. So one dumbbell out in front of you, you're gonna hinge at the hips right here. And it's all about creating that explosive power up to the top.
Danielle, those are great. Show us exercise number 3.
Exercise number 3 is a really fun variation of what I'm sure is everybody's favorite exercise, the burpee. So we're going to be starting at the top. I'm gonna hop my legs out to that plank position. And when I stand up, I'm gonna do a deadlift to bring those dumbbells up with me. So replace the dumbbells, hop those legs out, hop them back in, stand up tall. Increase that speed.
Danielle, I love those exercises. I think I like cardio even more now. And one thing I think everyone should remember is that by adding weights to our cardio, we can reap more benefits, and it's a great change of pace.
Yes, you're gonna get the best of both worlds with that aerobic component as well as that body composition component. And really, adding weights is gonna intensify any workout, and it's gonna challenge you mentally and physically.
Danielle, thank you so much.
Thanks, Jane, I appreciate it.
What's your favorite heart healthy exercise? We want to see your moves. Tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. So if you like this video and want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel.